Now we are going to read about ecosystem. So, a unit consisting of plants, animals, and microorganisms in an area functioning together with the non-living of the environment forms an ecosystem. Like you can say a desert, a forest area, a grassland, lake, ocean, even an aquarium also. All these are the example of ecosystem. Okay, so the larger ecosystem are also specific, have the specific kind of vegetation, such as the tropical rainforest. Okay, so in each ecosystem, the plants and animals adapt themselves to their environment. So this nature maintain a perfect balance between all the components of the environment within each ecosystem. Now let's see what is ecological balance. Ecological balance is a term describing how ecosystems are organized in a state of stability where species coexist with other species and with their environment. Even if an ecosystem is balanced, that does not mean that no change can occur there. A windstorm might roll through, wiping out a swath of trees. Okay, even a predator might be overhunted within a night. So these ecological changes which can occur anytime are known as the ecological disturbances. Now see here the topic, your human environment. Okay, so we have previously discussed that there are two types of environment. One is your natural environment and the second one is your human environment. So we have already discussed about the natural environment. Now we are going to discuss about the human environment. Okay, so as we all know that man is a part of environment, and we as a person modify the environment according to our suitable need. With the help of technology, we may learn to grow crops, to domesticate animals, and start living a settled life also. Then this trade and commerce, industrial and efficient means of transport and communication has also developed. Gradually, human beings are using their skill and they are creating a lot of things in the natural environment to satisfy their personal need. So this human environment include everything created by man with the help of technology, such as your factories, your industries, okay, monuments, bridge, roads, etc. Even today, man is also creating things from the natural environment with the help of more advanced technology. So now this man has controlled his environment in many ways, you can say. Like plants have been cultivated in places which are far from the natural habitat. Okay, so this different environment have different quality and uses. Each needs to be very carefully managed and protected for the future. So the each need to be carefully managed and protected. So the need of R is to limit the use of resources and protect the environment also. So this is only possible by controlling population growth, preventing pollution, planting trees, using alternative eco-friendly fuels like your CNG. Okay, so this will help to maintain the balance of nature and preserve our environment for the future generation. Thank you.